If you're new to Agoda or having trouble signing into your account, don't worry, this guide will help you log in easily. Today, I'll show you step by step how to log into Agoda in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open the Agoda app on your phone or go to the Agoda website using your browser. Once the app or website loads, look for the Sign In or Login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to begin the login process. Now, you'll see different login options. The most common way is to log in using your email and password. Enter the email address you used to create your Agoda account. Then, type your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, and then tap on the Sign In button. If you don't want to use email and password, Agoda also allows you to log in using other methods like Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Simply tap on your preferred option and follow the instructions. This is often faster and easier, especially if you've linked your account before. In case you forget your password, don't worry. Just tap on the Forgot Password option. Agoda will ask for your registered email address and send you a link to reset your password. Open your email, click on the link, create a new password, and then log in again. Once you successfully log in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can search for hotels, manage your bookings, check your reservations, and update your profile details. If you face any issues while logging in, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're using the correct login details. You can also try updating the app or clearing your browser cache if needed. So in simple words, logging into Agoda is easy. Open the app, tap on Sign In, enter your details or use a social login, and access your account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.